Microeconomics in Islam. What is microeconomics theory? Microeconomic theory deals with the behavior of economic agents of the economic system, like consumers, firms, and factors of production. The scope of microeconomics. The scope of microeconomics includes the following theories. Price theory. Each economic system has to make the decisions regarding what is to be produced, how it is to be produced, and how the resources are going to be allocated. All such, under capitalism, is performed with the help of price mechanism. That is, those goods should be produced which maximize profits, those techniques should be adopted which minimize costs of production, and the resources should be allocated in those uses where the resources command higher prices, etc. So, we can say that in microeconomics, we deal with problems of production, consumption, distribution, and resource allocation. Theory of consumer behavior and demand. Almost everyone faces the problem of multiple wants and limited money. In such a state of affairs, it is the desire of each consumer to maximize his satisfaction, and when it happens, the customer is said to be in equilibrium. Microeconomics also deals with the problems of equilibrium. Individual subsistence. Subsistence and the means of subsistence are bound up individually and collectively with human life, and both influence one another. There are some important questions in Islamic economic system. What are the commands in respect of the individual? What is one to earn? What is one to spend? And on whom to spend it? So we have two important questions. What income may be looked upon as permissible? And what are the permissible ways to dispose of it? To answer the two natural questions, we will understand the following: encouragement to earn a living, basic principles of earnings, and basic principles of spending. Encouragement to earn a living. The Quran tells us to strive for a living according to one's capacity for it. The world is for effort, inertness is death. Allah has placed many treasures in this earth, but to find them is conditional on us. Basic principles of earning. The individual has been bound to certain principles to save the economy from being corrupt. According to Sharia, humans must keep two principles before them all the time. First, whatever they earn must be permissible, and second, the means used for the earning should also be pure and permissible. Following these laws will keep spirits and hearts pure and safe from evil. Moreover, our means should not create economic difficulties for others, oppression, or cruelty. Basic principles of spending. Spending is necessary for life's development, so it is important to know what to spend, how much, and on what. Humans spend their money on themselves and on others, and complete guidelines are given in the Quran and Ahadith. Principles for spending on personal needs. In spending, neither extravagance nor spending on useless things nor miscellaneous is proper. A person should be moderate in spending because it contributes to a better collective economic order. Principles for spending on others' needs. According to Sharia, the more a person earns, the more he or she is responsible for satisfying others' needs. The first rights on the individual's income are those of the family. Besides zakat, other charities and social rights are also incumbent on the individual. In normal circumstances, the secondary dues should be paid in such a manner that a reasonable amount is saved for the family, so that they may not be left indignant and begging. However, in special conditions,